The Vedic idea that devatas, the cosmic impulses, are responsible for phenomena in totally diverse fields such as biology, meteorology, astronomy, chemistry, etc., is easier to understand against the latest theories in physics such as fractals and the holographic universe. A pattern which recurs in zoomed in as well as zoomed out fields of view is called a fractal by mathematicians. Fractals are everywhere in nature.
Mandelbrot noticed from the visual patterns of the equations that many of the formulaic sets created patterns that looked similar to patterns found in nature. This is what we call fractals. Pretty regenerative designs. Zoom a little, zoom in, zoom a little, zoom out. And that's what it's all about.
The popular phrase in Sanskrit, Yat Pinde Tat Brahmande, is close to the concept of fractals. This phrase means that the microcosm is a mirror of the macrocosm. It makes it easy to recognize the role of a particular devata in one domain by following a similar idea in another.
What do we mean, really? So if the universe is a hologram, it means, as William Blake said, that quite literally you could find the universe in a grain of sand, that every portion of the universe contains some semblance of the whole universe. A hologram has an unusual property. If you take a piece of photographic film that has a holographic image encoded in it, that means that you cannot see the image with your naked eye. You have to reconstruct the image, you have to shine a laser through it. So if you have an image of a rose in the film, shine a laser through the rose, you'll get a three-dimensional image of the rose on the other side. You cut that film in half, shine a laser through each piece, you'll get a whole rose out of each piece.
To the furthest galaxy, we are told, is no more than a closed electron in a far grander universe we can never see. And that universe is only an elementary particle in another still greater universe, and so on forever. Also, every electron in our universe, it is claimed, is an entire miniature cosmos containing galaxies and stars and life and electrons.
The idea of a hologram is now used by mathematicians and physicists to explain puzzling cosmological concepts such as the Big Bang and black holes. The concept of a hologram helps us associate a phenomenon in the universe as early as the Big Bang with the influence of a devata. It is easy to see why the mantras also refer to a few rare devatas. Leading experts in Vedic tradition suggest the approach of comprehending the ideas in the Vedas through one's knowledge of modern science.
From microcosm to the macrocosm, there is knowledge in the Vedas. People who know Vedas, they know nothing about science. Unfortunately, and those scientists, those who read and write science, have very little knowledge about the Vedas. So we want to bring a synergy of Veda and science.
Mantras related to astronomy are rife with references to devatas. It provides an interesting study into the scientific orientation in the cognitions of yore.